Most animators don't know this camera flash trick. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create a realistic Ricoh camera flash animation in FlipaClip using a simple step and pre-images. Watch this video to the end because I will show you how to make money with your animation skills online. Okay, subscribe to this channel for more animation tutorials every week and comment I'm interested if you want to get the FlipaClip premium app I'm using. Let's begin. Click on that plus icon. Okay, then you have to name your project. So let us start off by naming this animation. So I will just rename it to Ricoh animations tutorial. Okay, even though we are focusing on camera, but it's for beginners. Then we have to import a background. So click on that background icon for you to import a background that we'll be using. Okay, I have already designed the background that we use. So with my Ricoh Cartoons app, I was able to design the background, and that is where you can get this background. You see, I designed this background on that app. So position the background to match with uh, the the camera box, because this is the output. Okay, then you have to set up the canvas size because of the video is for YouTube, so I'll set it for YouTube 1080p. That is normal landscape for YouTube videos. Okay, so I'll then go back. Okay, then I'll lastly click on create project. Let us start the animation proper. So now we are on the interface of FlipaClip. First thing first, go over to your layer panels over there. Then you have to rename that layer 1, because as animator you are meant to always rename your layer and name it the correct name. So I will double click on it and then I will rename it to, from layer 1 I will rename it to character, so that I know that this is my character. Then I'll also add another layer again because I'm trying to stage the animation, because staging is very important. So this layer 2 now will be the camera trick. Okay, so whenever you are animating, always name all these things, name all your layers, so that you will not be confused during your animations. I hope you are understanding. So now we have to import the character images and then stage it properly. Okay, so I click on that add image for you to add your characters. So this is the character that I designed, so I have to place it and then I'll position this, I will stage this character so that viewers can easily see it. Okay, it is staging. If you stage your things, your audience will immediately know what the character is about to do without getting confused. So enter into the camera layer and then we are going to import the camera that I just designed also. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to click on add image. Now let me import the camera. You will see the cartoon camera that I designed. Let me open it. So I'll select it, then I can also move it anywhere I want. I can also scale it to become big or to become small. So I'll just position it directly on the hand. Okay, and you can see, as I'm bringing that into the hand, you see that the camera is at the top of the character, which is not proper. The hand's supposed to cover the character. So how do we fix this problem? It's very easy. You fix it in your layer panel. So go to your layer panel and control your layer ordering. So from what I'm seeing, character supposed to be at the top while the camera supposed to be below. That is layer ordering for you, knowing which layer supposed to be at the top. So now we've already moved the camera back to the body, below the body. Now the thing is now proper. Okay, as you can see, I have already designed the Ricoh character we'll be using for this project, so no need for me to draw anything from scratch. I use a simple app that helps me create cartoon characters quickly before animating with them. If you ever want to create your own characters and make a viral animation videos and even make money with your animation skills just with your phone or laptop, then my animation class is for you. I will teach you step by step how to design a character, how to create Ricoh style animation and turn your animation skills into income. If you are interested, send me a message on WhatsApp using the number showing on the screen, or comment I'm interested. I will send you the details. Okay, so let's continue with the tutorial. So guys, I need to time this animation, so I'll click on that plus icon, then I'll change the thing to, I'll use clone last frame. In that way the animation can last. So I'm timing the animation at least up till frame 6. The animation will stay before the camera will flash. So you see now we are doing 6 frames per second. Okay, so at this point now, go to your layer panels. Okay, and we are meant to add a new layer for the camera flash VFS, because we are meant to add the camera effect right now. So I'm going to add a new layer, and then I'll call it flash VFS, so that I can add the effect, because now he's holding a camera, so he needs to capture the thing. So I'm going to add the image. So these things, you have to design the image of the camera flash. Okay, so I'll go to add image. You see the image. I use airdrop brush to create this particular this thing. You see that white line that is very broadly, that is airline brush I used to create that thing. Okay, then you position that tray display just right on the camera mouth. So you see that it's only 1 frame I use for the camera flash, because you know that camera flash happens very fast. So we need to time the animation and make it to happen very fast, because if your camera flash happen like 2 or 3 frames, it will not look realistic. Because flash, if you notice camera flash, it usually happen very fast. So you doing your own now, you are meant to add at least only 1 frame, so that if they see the thing, the timing will be very much okay, and the animation will look smooth. Because in timing, it helps us control the speed of the animation and make it look more natural. You see now the thing is already capturing. Alright, so we are done with the animation. Let us export the video. So click on that three dots and then click on make movie in order for you to export your animation. Okay, as you can see, my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are showing all the advanced tools, and they don't show watermark. Okay, so if you want to get this FlipaClip premium app I'm using, comment I'm interested, I will send the app to you. So let us export the video right now. So click on make movie. So now we are done exporting. Let us play the video and see what we have so far. Okay guys, you see, so that is how you can create your camera flash effect. I hope you learned something valuable today. If you are serious about learning animation, I invite you to join my animation class. I will teach you step by step how to create cartoon characters, make 2D and 3D animations, and animate with your phone or laptop and create professional cartoon videos from scratch. You will get access to all the animation app, premium tools, learning resources, and guidance on how to create your own animation skills and monetize your content. So if you are ready to start your animation journey, send me a WhatsApp message using the number on your screen. Okay, that is the only way I can know that you are interested. Or just comment I'm interested, then I'll send the details to you. Okay, don't wait. The best time to start learning animation is today. Okay, so before you go, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, I've created over 50 Rico animation tutorials just like this one. So click the playlist link on your screen to continue watching the tutorials. All right, now I'll see you on my next video.